Hi there, students. A Jonny-Come-Lately, plural, Jonny-Come-Latelys. Okay, so it's a noun, a compound noun. Let's see, a Jonny-Come-Lately is a person who starts a job or an activity much later than other people who are well established in that activity, and they become very successful in it. It's like a newcomer to the market. Very, very often, nearly always, we use this phrase, a Jonny-Come-Lately, to imply that somebody is an upstart. Yeah? They're a recent arrival and they don't have any status. So established families tend to consider themselves more important and of much higher status than Jonny-Come-Latelys. Yeah, is Jonny-Come-Lately. It's implying nouveau riche, maybe without taste. Yeah, somebody who hasn't been doing this for years. As far as the established company is concerned, the new players in the market are Jonny-Come-Lately's. Yeah, let's see. For example, British Telecom or AT&T. These are established telephone companies, and I think they look at Google, for example, as a Jonny-Come-Lately. They become very successful in the market, but they haven't been there for a long time. They don't have long-term experience, and they're a newcomer. So normally using this phrase, a Jonny-Come-Lately, it's being critical. It's saying that this person is a bit of an upstart and a novice, and you don't think they have any class. Yeah. To be a gentleman takes breeding. If you're a Jonny-Come-Lately, then you don't have the experience of years in this. Yeah, it's a critical phrase. Yeah, he's a Jonny-Come-Lately. He's new to the market. He's new to this, although he is very successful in it. So Jonny-Come-Lately, a newcomer to a market, a newcomer to maybe a job. So yeah, the British mostly view Americans as Jonny-Come-Latelys. Yeah, they've got no pedigree of years. Maybe this phrase is a little old-fashioned. I think it's a little bit informal as well. I think I'd probably give it a 4 in formality. Yeah, you can spell it with an H or without an H, Johnnny or Jonny, although I think most commonly with an H. Yeah, so a Jonny-Come-Lately. I don't mind Jonny-Come-Latelys in my channel. I think that's a really good thing. Better late than never, most certainly. Yeah, but if we're using this phrase, he's a Jonny-Come-Lately, he's a bit of an upstart. He thinks he's better than he is. Yeah, he's giving himself airs and graces which he hasn't earned yet. Although in terms of status and power, he's in the same position as me. Okay, so yeah, I've been making videos for I think 11 years. And there are always Jonny-Come-Latelys in the video making business. Yeah, some of them are good, some of them are bad. Some of the people who've been making them for a long time are brilliant, and others not so good. Okay, so a Jonny-Come-Lately. The origin, yeah, Johnny, a person, a name, come lately. He's arrived lately. He's arrived recently. And that's the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A Jonny-Come-Lately.